Everyone, in this video, we will run a quick discovery and we will talk about Shazam batch size also. So let's go to discovery schedule. Let's run Windows only schedule. Here we will be using behavior. If you have not seen my previous video on what is behavior, how it is used, we will put a link in the description and you can visit that video, and it will be really helpful because it is very informative video about how behavior can be helpful to actually narrow down the port scanning, and discovery will be faster because we have already specified which port need to be scanned through behavior. Now let's talk about Shazam batch size. This is what we are here for today. So Shazam batch size is during the port scan phase. You remember that Shazam probes are sent to see which ports are open and accordingly classify the device. By default, it is 1000 here. We can reduce the size or we can make the size the way we can actually reduce it and increase it the way we want it. What will happen unless this particular number of Shazam, this particular number of devices has been scanned for the ports to see which port are open or not, the classification phase will not begin. If you will reduce this batch size, what happens is the system will not wait for the whole scanning to be completed. In between, it will start classifying the devices for which the ports has been identified that which port is open. So this is about the Shazam batch size. So Shazam batch size decides that after how many device scanning has been finished and the classification will start without the system waiting for the whole scanning phase to be completed. So let's keep it to 1000 right now. So we already have IP range here. Let's give another IP range and run the discovery. Here, after the discovery status is stated to be completed, we will go back to the dashboard of discovery to see how the dashboard looks after devices has been discovered, updated. So here you can see that the status is discovery status state is completed now, and it is classified as Windows. Let's go to ECCQ. You will see that during the Shazam probe launch time, the only ports that were looked for was WMI, WINRM, and WINRM underscore SSL. Only these ports have been scanned. Why? Because we have used behavior. As you remember, we have used behavior in this Let me show you again. And before going there, so our device is classified. We'll go to dashboard to see how it looks. So let's go to discovery schedule. So this is what our schedule was. Discovered Windows only schedule. The behavior was used Windows only behavior. And in this particular record, let's open the record. You see that the functionality that is used is Windows only. So it will look for WMI and WMIRM underscore SSL ports only. So now since the device has been discovered, we have seen the status now. Let's go and see in the discovery dashboard. Discovery dashboard. So after you complete the discovery schedule, you should definitely come and see in the dashboard. This is how your newly discovered devices are being shown. Your total discovered devices are shown. This is what we have discovered and updated right now. The Windows one, newly discovered applications, total discovered applications, any unused credentials. You can come to this dashboard module and see what informations are available here, how it can be useful for you every time you run a discovery schedule. So this is how I wanted to show you that using behavior when we run quick discovery, how we can go and see in the dashboard if our discovered devices are being shown here, and also how we make sure looking at the Shazzam probes that which ports have been sent. So this was our status that we were working on. So in the ACC queue, you can go and see when the Shazzam probe is launched, which are the ports that has been scanned for. So from here, you will know that the behavior that you have created is working, and it is only looking for Windows devices. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.